How's it going, everybody? Pyro here. 3 days ago, ordered from Redbeard's Fireworks Showcase in Pocatello, and went on ahead and ordered me a treasure chest, and I just received it today. It took about 3 days to get here. That's pretty fast. So let's just get into it, man. Let's crack this thing open and see what the Redbeard sent us here. All right. Oh yeah, I like this kind of wrapping right here. This is cool. All right, let's get this out the way. These are some little extra items that I ordered on top of the treasure chest here. A little combat zone grenades here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. All right. Ordered some extra smoke bombs. Threw them extra sub. He threw them in there. Good looking out, Redbeard. Hell yeah, that's what's up. Oh man. Pyro Demon. These are nice. Really nice. Up in smoke. Pyro Demon. And up in smoke black. Heck yeah. What we got here? Oh, got some 14-inch crackling sparklers. Oh, I gotta light these tonight. Also for Pyro Demon. Yeah. I'm loving it already. Oh, is this the swag bag? This might be the swag bag right here. My hands are already all blue and everything, but oh well, I don't care. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, got the Redbeard sticker that's going on my truck today. Yeah, I like it. This is awesome. What else we got? Oh, we got the certified like baseball card here. Got Brian the Redbeard's signature right here. The rookie trading cards. Love it. Unsafe and insane, unregistered, state of California. What does that say? That's right. I love it. Thank you, man. This is nice. This is very cool right there. I love it. You know, I had to get some of these, guys. Had to get some of these to get to my boys. Trump snaps back. 4 little boxes of these. Oh yeah. Super cool, man. I love it. I got one hand working with it right here. Here we go, you guys. The treasure chest. Just wrap it to the side real quick. Oh yeah. Got the crackling whips. Nice. Who are these from? This is from Dominator, man. Dominator brand crackling whips. The jumbo smoke balls from Shogun. Yeah. We got the champagne poppers here. Nice, cool little 6-pack. This is over there. We got the Pyro Demon sparklers here, number 10 wire color sparklers. Packs of those. We got some cool little poppets here, also from Pyro Demon. Cool little poppets. We got the little pull string fireworks. The little tricksters there. I'll leave those right there. We got some super loud snaps from Pyro Demon. It's Monster Pops. Alright. Line those poppets up right there. Got some Pyro Diablo bombers. Red Snap crackers. Alright, cool. We got some more nuclear snaps. Okay. Oh, we got the Fat Boy snaps. I like the designs on these ones. These are cool. We got some more Thunder snaps, adult snaps. Yeah, I like this one too. We got some more Trump snaps back. All right. What else we got here? We got some strobing wands. Okay. We got some more smoke bombs, the good clay balls. And we'll put those with the jumbo. There's the jumbo. We also have some cracker bombs from Pyro Demon as well. Yeah, we got the cool fire camp magic fires. These are always really cool to light up when you're camping, and we do a lot of that during the summer. We have some more cool red, white, and blue smoke bombs from, what was that? Top Gun? Yeah. All right. Let's put these with the other smoke bombs. All right, let's get all these that cool color sparklers. Dominator, man. Look at that. It's like we love the packaging on there too. It looks cool. We got some more epic gold ones from Epic Fireworks. 10-inch sparklers. Shiny. We got some more from Dominator. Some more color sparklers. Oh, we got 3 of them. Just like these other 3 over there. We got some morning glories here. We got some morning glories. Pyro packed. 14-inch sparklers. Morning glories on them. Got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of those. And we got the wands. These are the crowning glories. Crowning glories. Yeah, these are cool. These are always cool to light. Kids love these ones. All right, you guys, so that was my pickup from Redbeard's Fireworks Showcase, man. The treasure chest. Look at all this good stuff right here, man. Let's scratch that pyro itch, you guys. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do tonight. Showcase. Right. I just want a big shout out. Thank you to Brian Redbeard for hooking it up, man. I love these little items you threw in there, man. They're freaking awesome. It's incredible stuff here, man, for you guys who love, who love to do this kind of stuff. And, for me, I like to do it for my grandbabies and stuff, so, Yeah, there you go, man. Scratch that power itch, you guys. Thanks again, Redbeard. You're the man.